I'm proud to present the Exceptional Physician Award to Dr. Alain Algazi, a medical oncologist and immunologist specializing in head and neck cancers. Dr. Algazi is known for his innovative and patient-centered approach to care. He carefully tailors treatments to ensure the best possible outcomes, often navigating complex insurance barriers to get his patients access to the therapies they need. His willingness to challenge the status quo and advocate for non-conventional treatments reflects his deep commitment to delivering the highest standard of evidence-based care. But his dedication goes far beyond medicine. He takes the time to truly understand his patients, not just their clinical needs, but their concerns, hopes, and fears. That level of care extends into everyday actions. When an unhoused patient lacked transportation, Dr. Algazi gave them his own bicycle, never seeking recognition for his generosity. Dr. Algazi is equally dedicated to his team. He fosters a culture of continuous learning, hosting weekly lunch and learn sessions that bring staff together. These sessions keep the team aligned and support their professional growth. Described as both humble and extraordinary, Dr. Algazi is a true maverick, one whose compassion, expertise, and leadership make a lasting difference at UCSF Health and beyond. Congratulations, Dr. Algazi, on this well-deserved honor.
I'd like to thank my colleagues for nominating me for this award. For folks with head and neck cancer, I feel like we've really put together a great multidisciplinary program with a bunch of terrific people. The surgical team led by Dr. Ha, our colleagues in radiation, Dr. Chan and Dr. Yam, people who work behind the scenes, including Christine Glastonbury in radiology, who's just amazing. And then there's a whole group of people who, in medical oncology, are seeing patients every day, people who are extremely dedicated, Brittany Dingler, Christine Kim, and Shelley Stratford. We have a group of people also really making sure that everything gets done properly. Part of the biggest challenges in medicine is just making sure that people can get what they need, making sure they get their medicines, making sure the appointments get scheduled, the scans get scheduled. There's huge effort behind the scenes to do that. People working on that include Fernando and Mike and Warren and Tram Lee, who everybody really appreciates. I get lots of comments about how great Tram is. And then, other folks in administration, Vanessa, Aaron, Callahan Smith are just so supportive and wonderful. I'm also very pleased to be able to work with a really great group of professionals in our infusion staff. Our infusion nurses are just the best, and we really have a great collaborative working relationship. So I think we've been able to pull together a really great multidisciplinary team, a really strong group of people working together, and it's just such an honor to be able to work with these people. Thanks again.
Oh, have you heard of Dr. Algazi? He helps his patients every day. With heart so big and hands so wise, he brings them hope along the way.
He listens close, he takes his time, he makes their worries feel less prime. With every fear and every doubt, he helps to turn those inside out.
He fights for care, he fights for meds, he thinks up plans inside his head. With thoughtful work and careful schemes, he helps his patients chase their dreams.
Insurance says, oh no you can't, but Dr. Algazi won't hear that rant. He argues, pushes, writes, and pleads to get the care his patient needs.
And what a friend he is, it's true. To all his team, just ask a few. On Thursdays, lunch is not his own. He answers questions, sets the tone.
A mentor leader, humble too, a steady guide in all we do. What makes him stand out most of all? His kindness lifts up great and small.
One day, a patient had no home, no place to rest, no place to roam. So what did Dr. Algazi do? He gave his bike. Yes, that is true.
A doctor rare, so full of grace, he brings a smile to every face. And now we cheer with one accord. We're so glad he's earned this award.
Congratulations, Dr. Algazi.